Isaac here with Skyline, and in this video I'd like to answer the common question of how does tile spinning work? Here in front of me I have the tool that we use to do tile spinning, and I'm going to give you a quick overview. On the bottom you can see that we have a rotating head that looks similar to what you might see on a pressure washer. So each of these heads are going to produce 600 psi of water pressure. Around the edge we have a vacuum, and this shell is actually hollow, and it's going to allow the water and the soil that's released to be vacuumed up at the same time that we're doing the cleaning process. If you look at the top of the tool, you can see that we have the input for the water that's coming in to do the cleaning, and the output where the vacuum is going to be hooked up to suck the dirty water out after the cleaning is done. So this tool is going to be extremely effective in cleaning the tile and the grout in your home or your business, and it's going to eliminate all the excess water and mess that might happen if you were trying to do it with, say, a standard counter-rotating brush system. If you have any other questions, give the Skyline cleaning team a call and we'd be happy to put together a custom cleaning plan for your facility.